How durable is LVP glue-down flooring compared to click-in? The reality is, when we're talking about the top layer is made almost the same. So scratch resistance is going to be the same. The main difference is going to be in how this flooring is installed and where it is used. So SPC click-in vinyl plank flooring, you cannot glue, because that's what's written in installation manual. It's forbidden to glue that flooring down, at least for most brands. Where the glue down, it is a requirement to glue this flooring down. And second, usage. In most cases, SPC click-in vinyl plank flooring is used in residential or very light commercial environment, where glue down vinyl is used normally in the commercial spaces like clinics, offices, shopping malls, etc. As for the durability, the reason is because click-in installation is much easier. Also, it doesn't require glue, which most people don't like to have a lot of glue at their home. Where the glue-down vinyl plank flooring, in most cases, doesn't have attached underlayment, where residential spaces, especially condos, or if you're installing in townhouse or on a second floor, you want to have underlayment on the subfloor in order to install. But yes, you can glue underlayment to the subfloor before putting glue down vinyl. However, this involves extra labor, extra expenses, and in the end, if you're just doing floating SPC click-in for the residential, it's going to be cheaper. Where for the commercial space, like if you're talking about retail store or any other kind of commercial usage space where you have traffic, I highly recommend always to use glue down products like LVP glue down vinyl. Durability, if we're looking at the wear layer, and wear layer is the same, it's going to be the same for both products. You can have commercial products going to 30, 40 mAh wear layer, same as SPC click-in vinyl. You can have 20, 30, 40, 6, 12 mAh, and depends how much mAh you have. That's how durable your flooring is going to be. We're talking about the top layer. The one thing I really like about glue down vinyl is because it doesn't have seams. There is less places where the flooring can fail over time. Where the click-in vinyl, for it to last longer, the installation needs to be performed flawlessly. So the leveling needs to be done, moisture barrier needs to be installed. You should take care of like your heavy furniture by putting felt pellets, etc., etc. Glue down is less sensitive to those kind of things because it doesn't have locks and it's just directly glued to the subfloor.